Welcome to my channel Decor by Amna. I hope you are fine and happy. Our today video topic is understairs dining area. Understair dining area ideas and images. So transform the unused space under your stairs into a stylish and functional dining room that will wow your guests. This innovative design solution will maximize every inch of your home and create a cozy spot for meals and gathering. With cleverly designed furniture such as a compact dining table and chairs that can be easily folded away, you can create a versatile dining area that seamlessly blends into your living space. Add a splash of color with vibrant cushions and artwork and install soft lighting to enhance the ambience. Whether it's casual breakfast or an intimate dinner party, your understair dining room is sure to become a favorite spot in your home. Don't let that valuable space go to waste. Turn it into a chic and inviting dining area that will leave your guests in amazed situation. In this video, you can see different types of dining areas understairs like arcs in a private house, kitchen living room with a staircase, the best staircase paints, two-level house interior, canteen interior, American house interior, and the backlight of the modular stairs, American style of dining room, the hallway under stairs, room star, step table, dining area under the stairs, Kelly Hoppen stairs, large living room with stairs, and many other designs. I hope you like this video. Then please thumbs up and appreciate my efforts. I hope so. Choose wisely and let me know. Thank you so much for watching.